Hello friends, welcome to Just Natural. Today we are going to see how we can remove spots and marks from our skin in just 7 days. So let's get started. For this we need to make a smooth pack. The first ingredient is besan or gram flour. Second is haldi or turmeric. Third is dahi or curd. Mix all the ingredients according to the given quantity and make a smooth paste, then apply all over your face and neck. And leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. This pack also can be applied all over your body. Wash your face with cold water. While washing your face, massage your face in circular motion, then rinse well and pat dry. After that, apply a good moisturizer like aloe vera gel. As besan contains skin lighting agent, result will be visible within 7 days if regularly used. Here is 5 tips to get glowing skin if regularly followed. Firstly, to get glowing skin, follow CTM every day. If you don't know what is CTM, then watch my video given in the description box how to get rid of pimple marks in 3 steps. There I have mentioned how CTM works. Secondly, drink 6 to 7 glasses of water every day. Next, keep your skin moisturized. Use good moisturizer. Next, do not apply lots of chemical-based products on your skin. Lastly, eat healthy and avoid junk stuffs. Thanks for watching.